In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cash-on-delivery payment method in your Shopify store. This process is a great option for businesses that want to offer their customers increased flexibility with payment methods. By enabling cash-on-delivery, you allow your shoppers the option to pay only when they receive their products. Let's dive into the details of how you can easily enable this feature and take your e-commerce business to the next level. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Now, from the admin dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Settings to access your store's general settings. Once there, you'll see an array of options to customize your store. We want to focus specifically on the Payments section to adjust your store's payment options. After clicking on Payments, your screen will display different options for configuring how your store handles transactions. To add a cash-on-delivery option, scroll to the Manual Payment Methods section. Here, you'll find the possibility to cater to customers who prefer alternative payment methods that aren't digital. Click on Add Manual Payment Method to proceed. Within the manual payment methods, you'll see a list of available options. Select Cash on Delivery, COD, from this list. This is a popular choice for many e-commerce businesses, especially those with customers in regions where digital payments might not be prevalent or preferred. After selecting Cash on Delivery, a new page appears with detailed options for setting up this payment method. Review this information to ensure it aligns with your business operations. If your terms and conditions for COD are different from the default, you can adjust them here to better suit your needs. Make sure everything is clear and user-friendly for your customers to understand. Once you're ready to apply these changes, find the Activate button on the page. Clicking this will finalize your setup and make Cash on Delivery a visible option for customers at checkout. You'll receive a confirmation that this payment method is active, and it will now appear as a part of your store's checkout process. Keep in mind, offering Cash on Delivery can influence your workflow, as it involves handling payments outside of the usual online transactions. It's a good idea to coordinate with your shipping and fulfillment teams to make sure everyone is on the same page and that packages are processed efficiently. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to enabling Cash on Delivery in your Shopify store. It's a simple feature, but it can have a significant impact on how you reach and retain customers, particularly in markets that rely heavily on cash transactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you as you continue to build and grow your e-commerce business.